look nice when you open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on the thing that I wanna get nasty. Don't wanna wait on the thing that I wanna get nasty.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another toddler hair wash and style video. Today I am going to go into details about the products that I'm using. Right now I'm just making sure the temperature is good enough for her, and here I am using the Argan, her shampoo line. This is really old. She did change her product and the name of her she did change the name of her product and the style and everything, so I will have the new ones in the description down below. But that was just the shampoo I'm using, her shampoo, just to like cleanse my daughter's hair. They get up all that built up dirt and gel and everything. Next, I am going in with the Cream of Nature shampoo. You guys can pause the video, go back and pause the video to look at my keynotes. I will also have them down in the description below. As you guys know, in my last video, I said we use this as a household shampoo and conditioner. This is the Argan oil by Cream of Nature. I love this shampoo.
Good to me, now would you please swing my way? Shout it, swing my way. Shout it, swing my way. Show look good to me, now would you please swing my way?
Next is the Cream of Nature conditioner. This line by Cream of Nature is probably the best thing popping. And then of course I have to go in with our Holy Grail, the As I Am line. Check the description box below for my keynotes. The As I Am conditioner is probably like the best thing to detangle my daughter's hair. She does have natural curly hair, and everyone knows with curly hair comes tangles. You do get a few tangles here and there, and we've been sick for like the last week or so. So I haven't been doing her hair, I haven't been doing my hair, so she has a lot of tangles. But she doesn't feel it, she's not irritated, she's not frustrated with me as I'm detangling her hair. So that is a major plus for mommies.
All through the night, anything that you like, I keep it cool. Boy, you're gonna see how good it can be. Just come to me. I'll hold you tight all through the night. Anything that you want, I'll keep it cool. Boy, you're gonna see how good it can be. Just come to me.
I like to cha-cha, cha-cha, hey, cha-cha, cha-cha, hey. I like to cha-cha, hey, in a Latin bar, yeah, with a Dominican, the reasonable hyena, yeah. I like to cha-cha, hey, I like to cha-cha, hey, with a Dominican, the reasonable hyena.
Now it's time for the styling. You guys know I really don't know what I'm gonna do to my daughter's hair, so most of the time I look on Pinterest, and this time I'm using a blow dryer because we was going out this day. We was actually over our sickness, and it was a little airy outside, so I just decided to blow dry her hair. Sometimes I let it air dry depending on the weather outside, but I'm just using the blow dryer on the coldest temperature I have. I think I put it on like 11.1 for the temperature as well as the power. Here I'm going in with the Jamaican Castor Oil water. I believe it's called water mist. I'm not sure, but check the description down below as well as my keynotes to see why I'm using this product. Okay, so I played around and plugged around on Pinterest for like a couple of hours, and I couldn't really find nothing that I liked and nothing that would really last as long as I want it to last. So right now, girl, I'm just winging it. So I did like 2 rows of individual ponytails in the back, 2 main ponytails in the front, that's like quote unquote bangs, and in the middle, 2 big ponytails. That's it.
I'ma tell all my boys about you, manana. Hope this is your number, I'm calling you, manana. Hopefully you come kick it with me, manana. We can try to between us, manana. I'ma tell all my boys about you, manana.
Here I'm using the gel just to slick down these ponytails and get them uniform. I'm also using the As I Am twisting curl, or I think it's called twisting cream. Check the description box below for all the products. I believe it's called twisting cream, to twist her hair and have everything moisturized. Yes, ma'am. The As I Am twisting cream, I love that product because it had her twist so like juicy, and it just looks beautiful. Like, I think this would be really good for the girls who do like twist outs, bantu knots, you know, those type of protective style. Here is the product here. So lately I've been learning about different products and why people use them. Before, y'all, I never knew why people used to use leave-in conditioner, but now I know. You need the leave-in conditioner because it helps moisturize your scalp, and your styles last longer when you use a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So at the end of this clip, you will see me giving my daughter a quote-unquote trim. I like to trim her hair when I am done styling it. So whatever the straggly ends are, I just clip those. That's the best form for me to clip both our ends.